Sheila and welcome back to Upskilling After 40. Well, malapit na ang 2025 and alam ko marami sa atin ang gustong mag-set ng goals. Pero teka lang bago tayo magplano, let's talk about something important muna. And that is defining your purpose at pag-audit ng buhay natin. Yes, i-audit natin. Trust me, these are game changers. So well, first of all, paano ba natin i-define yung purpose natin? Think of it as your North Star. Ito yung gabay mo. Para sa akin, ang purpose ko is yung pamilya ko at continuous learning. It's why I shifted from corporate work to freelancing and even decided to go back to school in 2022. So kahit mahirap na paminsan, knowing my why helped me stay on track. Ano naman yung SWOT analysis? That's SWOT. Usually pang business siya, pero super useful din sa personal growth, I promise. So anyway, SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Halimbawa, strength ko ang pagiging organized, pero weakness ko naman yung overthinking. Oh well, by knowing these, mas na-align ko ngayon yung goals ko sa strengths habang inaaral ko kung paano ko naman tatrabahuhin yung weaknesses ko. So try this. Kuha kayo ng papel at ballpen or sa laptop nyo or sa phone nyo. Isulat nyo yung mga strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats ninyo. And then ask yourselves, paano nyo gagamitin yung strengths para ma-overcome yung mga challenges or to leverage the opportunities around you? Share one of your strengths sa comments below. Gusto ko marinig yan. Let's inspire each other as we prepare for 2025. Bye!